Hey, hi all. This is Mahesh Lakde, and my today's topic name is Docker integration in a Jenkins. It is a part of CICD Simple project series and part number 4. In this, many people face the issue for Docker integration in Jenkins. That's why I come up with this topic. And like previous sessions, we done the Jenkins installation, and our Jenkins is ready. Also, we have the EC2 machine ready for that Jenkins. There we are going to log in on that Jenkins machine, and there we going to install the Jenkins. So for logging there, we need to use command SSH. Using SSH, we can log in there. It will take few seconds, and after that, we need to perform installation of Jenkins. So in this first step, we are going to update the current packages, so that we should not face the issue for installation. The next step will be Docker installation. We are using -y option, that's why it's not asking for any permission related thing. Now we are going to run the 3 commands because it don't have that much thing, like we are enabling start and status in the same single command kind of. So our Docker is running there. We can check using Docker PS. Okay, we forget to add sudo there. Using sudo, we can check it. It is installed and we can check it. We can able to access the service. Now next step. Uh, Whenever you want to run this command from Jenkins, we need to add user inside a Docker group, else it will show the permission denial error. So we are going to add this Jenkins user inside a Docker group. Then next will be this sudo service Jenkins restart. If we not perform, even the changes will be not reflected there. You can restart your Jenkins from here as well. There are a number of ways I will cover in later session. How can we restart the Jenkins? There are 2-3 ways. Now we will access our Jenkins. So like a previous session, we create a Jenkins. Now we are going to create a new job here for Jenkins test, whether it is a successfully our credential admin. After login, we need to create a job, and in that job, we can execute our uh, Docker commands. Docker integration. Hello. There are like a number of ways for Docker integration, but we are using simple one because we want to cover it within a time, and like we can cover all these 2-3 ways. But for first one, we are going to simple one. That's why we are covering this. Now here, see, build step. In that, we are going to select execute shell, and when we choose the execute shell, we are going to create a Docker file. Like Docker file, we can create using this command as well, simple command. So see this Docker file. Then next we want to build the image, and after building the image, we are going to also run it, whether it is able to run or not, that we need to check. Then after that, whether that command is run successfully or not, right? We need to verify it. So after that, we are going to use docker ps command there. Now we are going to save it and then build step. So we are going to check the output, console output now. So see, our job is successfully executed. First step, we are creating a Docker file, then building the Docker file. It shows the layers, and then we are executing Docker in a daemon mode, -d option for daemon mode, and this after that Docker ps. So we will successfully executed this like we can say POC or simple integration, Docker and Jenkins integration. Thanks for the day, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel if you not subscribed yet. Thank you.